In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel appointment or meeting in Microsoft Outlook. Managing your schedule in Microsoft Outlook is an important part of staying organized, especially when your calendar is filled with meetings and appointments. There are times when plans change, and you may need to cancel an event quickly to keep your schedule accurate and up to date. In this guide, we will go through a simple process that allows you to remove an appointment or meeting from your Outlook calendar in just a few steps. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer and navigate to the Calendar section. This is where all your scheduled appointments, meetings, and events are stored in one place. Once you are in the calendar view, take a moment to locate the specific appointment or meeting that you want to cancel. You can scroll through your calendar or switch views if needed to find the correct entry. After identifying the event, select it by clicking once to highlight it. Once it is selected, open the Options menu for that appointment. This is typically done by right-clicking on the event, which will display a list of available actions related to that meeting or appointment. From the menu that appears, look for the option to delete or remove the selected event. Choosing this option will initiate the cancellation process. Outlook will then remove the appointment from your calendar, ensuring that it no longer appears in your schedule. This helps keep your calendar clean and prevents any confusion regarding outdated or unnecessary meetings. Once the event has been deleted, the change will be reflected immediately in your calendar. If it was a meeting involving other participants, Outlook may also handle notifying them depending on how the event was originally created. This ensures that everyone stays informed about the updated schedule. And that's it. You have successfully canceled an appointment or meeting in Microsoft Outlook. This simple process helps you maintain an organized calendar and ensures that your schedule always reflects your current plans. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.